Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel in Dayal Programming Academy. Today I am going to discuss about related list. So what is related list? We come to know today. So this is the last topic of my relationship series. So what is related list? Related list is a collection of data stored by an object that is found on a record page in Salesforce. Right? All records listed on a related list have some sort of relationship to the record. Right? In simple words, we can say that a related list just a section of a record detail page that lists all the items related to that record. Right? So let's see, let me open my application so I can explain practically in front of you. Just open our application. So this is my application and these are my two object, professor and the college activity. Right? In my last video, I have told about the many to many relationship. Right? So this is my junction object and these two objects are related in many to many relationship. Right? So related list means if I am open this, I am going to click this professor, click on related. So I want to know this professor is related with which activity, right? Here it is showing only session. So this professor is involving in first session and second session. But in which activity, right, he is involving. So how come to know? By creating a related list. Similarly, if I open this object and I will open this activity, click on related. So here I want to know which activity is related with which professor. So this thing we can achieve with the help of related list. So how we can create our related list? Just come to our setup, open our object that is professor, right? So professor, open this object, just click on page layout option, right? Open your default one. So in your page layout, you can see here, this is the option related list available, right? Just click here. As you click, it will land you here, related list, right? So this is the property option. Just click here. So from here, you can select your field, right? Which field you want to display in your related list, means which information you want to know about your related object, right? This is one field already selected here, that is a session name. So here I can select the activity name, so college activity name. So I can come to know in which activity this professor is being related with or going to participate, right? So I can select start time also, at what time activity will start, and end time also. So I can know at what time activity will be end, right? So I am selecting these three field only. You can choose as per as your requirement, how many field you want to choose from here to make your related list, right? So for now I'm just selecting this. So after selecting your field, just click on OK button, right? OK, and just give a save. Click on save. Done. Now come back to our application. Give a refresh to our application first. So this time if I will open this, click on this professor, click on related. So here you can see the change, right? So here this professor is involving in writing activity that will be start on this date and time and end with this date and time, right? In the second session he is also involving with another activity, playing football, right? So in this way we can create our related list to know about the another object or related record, right? So similarly we can create a related list for our college activity. So we can know about in this activity which professor is participating, right? Let's create one more time. So now college activities. Come to our setup, open your object, that is college activity, right? So in the similar way, click on page layout. In the similar way, we can create our related list for our college activity also. Click on related list, click on properties, select the name. So here I'm going to select my professor name first, so I can know about the which professor is involving in this activity, right? And similar thing I can select as a end time or start time, right? So start time and end time, right? So after selecting your field for your related list, just click on OK. Same process we will repeat. Click on OK, click on save, come to our application, give a refresh to our application, right? Now if I will click on this object and click on this activity, click on related option, so here you can see in this activity only one professor is involving, right? Okay, so that is playing football. If I will click, so session, I'm going to create one more record, right? So in third session, that time will be this, time will be 1 to 2, 1, and time is 2. So this is also a 1 hour activity, right? And I'm going to involve same professor, right? And activity is I can say this speaking activity, right? Just select this, save this, right? If I will click here, I'm going to check this speaking activity. So here also one professor is involving, right? If I will open this professor, so it will show you, click on related, this professor is involving in 3 activities now, right? So this is related list, right? How we can get the information about the related record, right? You can create a related list for lookup relationship also, right? And master detail as well. So thank you for watching. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel to get more videos and leave the comment for your feedback. Thank you for watching.